Today, I'm diving deep into Mudrex, a crypto trading bot that claims to simplify automated trading for beginners and experienced traders alike. When you first land on the Mudrex website, the sleek interface immediately stands out. The homepage showcases the platform's promise: automated, data-driven trading strategies designed to maximize returns while minimizing risk. Creating an account is straightforward. You can sign up using an email address or log in with Google. Once inside, the dashboard provides a clean, intuitive experience. At a glance, you can see your portfolio performance, connected exchanges, and available trading strategies. Mudrex supports multiple exchanges, including Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken, allowing seamless integration for users. One of the biggest selling points of Mudrex is its strategy builder. This tool allows traders to create, test, and deploy trading strategies without any coding knowledge. Users can customize their strategies with technical indicators, risk management tools, and backtesting features. The backtesting tool is especially useful, as it lets you simulate your strategy using historical market data before putting real money on the line. For those who don't want to build strategies from scratch, Mudrex Marketplace is a game changer. Here, traders can browse and invest in pre-made strategies created by experienced traders. Each strategy comes with transparent performance metrics, showing historical returns, risk factors, and trading frequency. Investors can select strategies that align with their risk tolerance and financial goals. Mudrex also offers a feature called CoinSets, which allows users to invest in curated baskets of cryptocurrencies based on themes or market trends. This is an excellent option for those looking for diversified exposure to the crypto market without managing individual trades. Another aspect worth discussing is the pricing structure. Mudrex operates on a subscription-based model, with a free plan available for beginners. Paid plans offer more advanced features like unlimited backtesting, higher investment limits, and priority support. Additionally, the platform does not charge trading fees. Instead, it generates revenue through its subscription services. Security is a top concern for any trading platform, and Mudrex does not disappoint. The platform employs bank-grade encryption and does not store users' funds directly. Instead, funds remain on connected exchanges, minimizing risks associated with centralized platforms. Many useful links can be found in the description. Do this after looking video. The mobile app version of Mudrex makes it easy to monitor and adjust strategies on the go. The interface is user-friendly, allowing traders to track performance, deposit funds, and modify investments with a few tasks. Customer support is another strong point for Mudrex. The platform offers responsive email support, a detailed knowledge base, and an active community forum where users can discuss strategies and troubleshooting tips. Overall, Mudrex is a well-rounded crypto trading bot that caters to both beginners and experienced traders. Its no-code strategy builder, marketplace, and CoinSets feature make automated trading accessible without the need for deep technical knowledge. The platform is secure, transparent, and integrates with major exchanges, making it a solid option for those looking to automate their crypto investments. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews on trading tools and crypto platforms. Let me know in the comments if you tried Mudrex or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.